Introducing A&B strip rubber from Tech Tire Repairs. This new repair compound is excellent for tire repairs, especially bead repairs and sidewall damage. A&B strip rubber compound eliminates hand mixing and wait time for solvent evaporation, reducing labor cost. Let's take a look at how A&B strip rubber can be used for bead repairs. Please refer to Tech's written instructions for detailed step-by-step application of A&B strip rubber. After preparing the injury according to Tech's instruction for A&B strip rubber application, apply a thin, even coat of chemical vulcanizing fluid to the prepared surface. While the vulcanizing fluid is drying, cut an even amount of A compound and B compound from each roll. No hand mixing required. Simply align the A and B strip rubber pieces together. Insert the combined rubber pieces into a preheated extruder gun and run through to mix. It may be necessary to run the material through the extruder a second time to ensure adequate mixing. No need to wait for solvent evaporation. Once mixed, extrude the mixture directly into the injury, overlapping layers if necessary until the area is filled. Stitch between extruding each layer of A and B strip rubber compound to remove any air that may be present. Cleanout rubber is also available for the extruder gun. Tech's A and B strip rubber increases efficiency for bead and sidewall repairs, saving you time and money. Contact your Tech Tire Repairs representative to place your order today.